I'll guide you through how to back up your iPhone photos to iCloud and free up space without deleting any of your memories or constantly seeing the storage full warning. If you're looking to permanently solve your iPhone storage issues, or you want to ensure your entire photo collection is backed up safely, and so you need to move your full resolution photos to iCloud and reclaim disk space, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Before we begin the process, there's one non-negotiable step. You must check your iCloud storage. The free 5 GB of storage is usually not enough for most users. To check your storage, go to Settings, then tap iCloud and select Manage Account Storage, which is often found right under the storage usage bar. Make sure your available space is larger than your total photo library size. If not, you'll need to upgrade your storage plan first. Now for the steps to activate the space-saving feature. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap iCloud, and finally, select Photos. This is the control center for how your device manages your camera roll. Next, toggle on Sync this iPhone. As soon as you do this, your entire photo and video library begins uploading to iCloud. This ensures your memories are safely backed up in the cloud. Immediately below the toggle, you'll see two options. The crucial one for freeing up space is Optimize iPhone Storage. Select this. It tells your iPhone to store the high-resolution original files only in the cloud, while keeping tiny, space-saving versions on your device. When you tap a photo, your phone quickly downloads the original on demand. The initial upload and optimization can take some time, so make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi and your phone is charging. Remember, this is a sync service, not an archive. If you manually delete a photo from your Photos app after turning this feature on, it will be deleted from iCloud and all of your devices. So only delete if you are 100% sure you don't want the photo anymore. For more photo library management, check out the description below. Now that you've learned how to back up your iPhone photos to iCloud and free up space, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more iPhone video tutorials. Thanks for watching.